Hi, in this video, we will see Java introduction. So, when you talk about Java, so Java is a high-level programming language. So what do you mean by high-level programming language? So high-level means it is easy to understand, easy to debug, and easy to execute, and it is programmer friendly. Means you can easily understand the language, and it is programmer friendly. Means if you are a developer, you are developing some code, you can easily understand that. And if you have any issues, you can easily debug that program. So because of that, Java is a high-level programming language. So Java is created by James Gosling from Sun Microsystems in 1991. But it is publicly released in 1995. So they started and creating in 1991, but the Java is available to us from 1995. So later Sun Microsystems is acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2010. So Java derives much of its syntax from C and C++. Means if you know C and C++, then Java code is very familiar to you. So the syntax, you feel that no, you are seeing some C and C++ code. So most of the things they took it from the C and C++. If you are aware of C and C++, you don't feel much difficulty when you see the Java code. So Java is a general purpose computer programming language that is concurrent. Means it supports multi-threading concepts. Means concurrent means it supports multi-threading concept, means multiple tasks can be performed at a time. Okay. So it is class based. So everything can be class. Without class, you cannot do anything in Java. So what is that class and class based? We will see in our upcoming videos. It is object oriented. So if you have a class, if you have something inside the class, if you want to work with that, the things which you written inside a class, you need to create an object. So Java is an object oriented language. So everything is object in Java. So what exactly it is object oriented, that is also we will see in our upcoming videos. So it is intended to let application developers write once, run anywhere. So in the simple form, people will call it as WORA, W-O-R-E, write once, run anywhere. Meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without need for recompilation. So you have written some code and you compile that code. So that compiled code can run on any platform. So there is no need to recompile that code to execute that code. So that we will see exactly. So for example, you can write and compile a Java program on Mac machine, okay, and run it on Windows or Linux machine without any modification to the source code. So while you're writing the code, you have written in one of the platforms called Mac machine. So you want to execute the same code. That means that compiled code, you can directly execute in Windows or Linux. So which platform supports Java? Okay, that is one of the biggest advantages. Because of that, Java is a platform independent language. So WORA is achieved, means write once, run anywhere, right? So WORA is achieved by compiling a Java program into an intermediate language called bytecode. Okay. So the format for bytecode is platform independent. So because of this, means when you compile this, the actual high-level programming language we said, right, that looks similar to for English. Okay. So that looks similar to English. That code will be converted into intermediate language called bytecode. Okay. When you compile that code, it will convert to the bytecode. We cannot understand the bytecode. So that bytecode is platform independent. So because of this bytecode, Java is platform independent. So you have written the code in Mac and you compile, that code can be executed in Windows or Linux, any other platforms which supports Java. So a virtual machine called JVM, Java Virtual Machine, is used to run the bytecode on each platform. Okay, so Java internally have some components. One of the components is called Java Virtual Machine. It is the purpose of its JVM is to run the bytecode on each platform. The compiled code can be executed by this Java Virtual Machine, and you will get the output what you are expecting. Okay, this is all theory. So in upcoming videos we will see exactly what is happening and how it will happen. We'll see everything. So use of Java. Okay, we are saying Java is a programming language, high-level programming language, and platform independent. All these things we are discussing. But what is the use of Java? What we will use by learning with this Java? Okay. So with the Java, you can develop mobile applications. You can develop desktop applications. You can develop web applications. You can develop some games. You can develop enterprise level applications. You can develop scientific applications. Okay. So you can develop all these kind of applications. If you know Java, if you are able to run, learn and know, master in Java, then you can develop all these applications. Apart from all these things, you can write automation code also, right? So once you learn the basics, sometimes there are some possible interview questions from this is, the people may ask what is Java. So Java is a high-level programming language, means easily understandable, easy, you can easily debug, programmer friendly, something like that you can say. What do you know about Java? Well, you can say the same things. What is the use of Java? So we just saw that, right? You can develop these kind of applications, right? These kind of questions you may encounter in any one of the interviews. So be prepared for all these things. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you.